Hello everyone, welcome back to the network security training. In this video, we will be covering different types of networks. So as we have discussed that computer networks allows computers to connect and communicate with different computers via any medium. So we need to understand that how we are connected, right? And for this we will be discussing different types of networks such as we have LAN, MAN, VPN and so on, right? So in this video we will be covering these types of networks. As you can see here, PAN, this is called personal area network. Then LAN, local area network. MAN, metropolitan area network. WAN, this is wide area network. Then storage area network. Then we have campus area network known as CAN. Then wireless local area network. This is similar like LAN, local area network, but it's a upgrade version having wireless capability. Then we have enterprise private network. It's called EPN, and at last we will be discussing virtual private network. It's VPN. All right, so let's start with personal area network. So personal area network is basically a computer network that organized around an individual for personal use only. They basically involve a computer, phone, printer, tablet, or any other device like PDAs, personal devices. This could be inside a small office or at your home. The network is typically managed for a single computer but can be accessed from any device. All right, this type of network provides great flexibility because it's in very small range. It has some capabilities like you can send a document to the printer in the office while you are just sitting on a couch with your laptop. You can upload a photo from your cell phones to the desktop computers. You can watch movies and online streaming service to your TV, right? So this is basically a personal area network which provides data transmission among devices such as we have computers, laptops, tablets, smartphones and all. Then next we have local area network. So it's locally, you can see that local area network is basically a group of computers connected to each other in a small area such as a building, a school, a computer laboratory or office and all. It's basically in small geographical area. A LAN is a private network owned and maintained by a single organization. As we have schools or colleges, so they basically use local area network in a particular building or in that particular area. LAN is basically used for connecting two or more personal computers through a communication medium such as we can use twisted pair cables or coaxial cables, right? LANs are typically used for single sites where people need to share resources among themselves but not with the rest of the outside world. So for that purpose we use local area network, right? Then we have metropolitan area network. This is, you can say, a combination of LANs, a computer network that interconnect users with computer resources in a geographic region of the size of a metropolitan area. It consists of a computer network across an entire city, a college campus, or a small region. A metropolitan area network is larger than local area network, definitely, right? Because it's a combination of two or more LANs, you can say, which is typically limited to a small building, or a site. Depending on its configuration, this type of network can cover an area from several miles to tens of miles. A MAN is typically owned and operated by a single entity such as government agencies or larger corporations. Alright, in MAN, basically various LANs or two or more LANs are connected to each other through a telephone exchange line. Right? It can be used in an airline reservations or colleges within a city. All right, so this is known as metropolitan area network. Then next we have wide area network. So as you can see, wide area network is a network that exists over a large scale geographical area. All right, such as states or countries, right? A WAN connects different smaller networks, like it can be the combination of multiple LANs or multiple MANs, metropolitan area networks and local area networks. So a WAN connects different smaller networks. The internet is the best known example for a public WAN. WAN uses technology like ATM, that is asynchronous transfer mode, frame relay, and X.25, basically a packet switched network that allows remote devices to communicate with each other over any private digital links without the expense of individual leased lines. All right, this is basically used for connecting over the longer distances. As I said, the internet is the best known example for the public WAN. All right, then next we have storage area network. So as you can see in the diagram, a specialized high-speed network that provides block level network access to storage. This is basically a computer network which provides access to consolidated block level data storage, connects servers to data storage devices through technology like fiber channel, right? SAN are typically composed of host, switches, storage elements, and storage devices that are interconnected using a variety of technologies, topologies, and protocols. This is basically used for storing your data. It's a storage area network. Then next we have campus area network. So as the name suggests, it's for a particular campus. It's a campus area network, or it's also known as corporate area network. This is basically for a smaller network, you can say, and for a particular purpose. So a campus area network is basically a network of multiple interconnected LANs in a limited geographical area. All right, a campus area network is also known as corporate area network. A campus area network is a network that covers an educational or corporate campus. That's why it's known as campus area network. It's basically larger than local area network but smaller than metropolitan area network and the wide area network. So it's all clear. Then next we have wireless area network. So basically it's a LAN based on Wi-Fi wireless network technology. As I've told you before, that wireless area network is a technology that is using a clear local area network having the upgrade version of wireless technology. All right, a wireless LAN is a wireless computer network that links two or more devices using wireless communication within a limited area. because LAN is for limited area. That's why wireless LAN is also for the limited area, but having the wireless technology. All right, then next we have enterprise private network. So basically these type of network are built and owned by businesses that want to securely connect its various locations to share computer resources. It's for enterprise private network. It serves the original purpose of private network where data is protected and resources are shared. So basically a private network is enforced with many restrictions in order to create a secure environment. All right, that's why mostly organizations use enterprise private network to maintain the integrity, the confidentiality of their network. So they use enterprise private network because this network is basically designed for maintaining the security of a network. That's why organizations use enterprise private network. All right, then at last we have virtual private network. So it's, you can see virtual, the network which is virtual. So it's a virtual private network that extends a private network across a public network, and also it enables users to send and receive data across shared or public networks as if their connecting devices were directly connected to the private network. Applications running across the VPN may therefore benefit from the functionality, security, and management of the private network. So basically, VPN uses a secure communication channel or the technology that maintains the security of that particular network. And you can connect multiple resources, or anyone can use to connect to your VPN, right? It's a technology that is widely used in the corporate environments because today employees are sitting at their homes, or they are just connecting that particular corporate network from different locations, right? So they need to maintain the security of their particular network. That's why people or the organizations today are using VPN, because it secures your data from being hacked or from being interrupted, right? Encrypted connection that helps ensure the sensitive data is safely transmitted. It basically encrypts your data. It uses the technology that uses the encryption, right? We'll discuss about encryption in our later videos, but here you can understand that VPN is the technology, is the network that uses the encryption technology through which all your data that is being transmitted over the network is being encrypted to maintain the security. All right, so these are the different types of networks that we have discussed in this video. In the next video, we will be covering the protocols. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.